Hello guys, in today's video we'll be looking at how to design captivating thumbnails using Capcut. How to design thumbnails for our YouTube channel using Capcut. It is just in simple steps. It is as easy as A and B and C. So let's go into the video right now.
This video we'll be learning how to design a thumbnail using Capcut. So let's go. The first thing you do is click on Capcut. If you don't have Capcut app on your phone, kindly go to Play Store now and download it. It is available on the Play Store. So click on Capcut, then click on New Project. Click here to bring in your video. So let me look at one video I can use. Let me use this video. Then I'll click on Add. So to design my thumbnail, I'll click on Cover. Then I will select one picture. I will select one picture. Okay, let me use this one. I'll click on Next. So now this is the picture I'll be using. Remember, the picture is from the video. So I'll come to Text. Once I come to Text, I will select my template. Let me look for one beautiful template I can use. Okay, let me use default. Then I'll say, okay, let me look for a title. Okay, design. I will reduce the size. Move it. Okay, design. If I'm not comfortable with the template, I can still come and change it here. Yes, I can still come and change it. There. Let me go to star. How do I want it? I want it to have a black background. Click on background. Let me select black. So you can see it. It already has a black background. Then I'll come to text again. Text. Design thumbnail. I will reduce the size to what I want. Okay, let's say this is the size. I'll come to style. How do I want it to be? I think I like it like, okay, let me add red background to it. Red background, let me see. No, that is not what I want. I want the color to be white. I will add red background to it. Okay, let me use this. You can see I've added red background to it. I will move it up a little bit. Okay, I'll say design thumbnail. I'll come to text again. I'll say using Capcut. I will reduce the size. I'll put it here. I'll come to fonts. Let me look for one font that I can use here. It will not be as if I'm using the same font throughout. Let me use this. You can see that the font has changed, but I don't really like that font. So let me look for another font. That is beautiful. Okay, let me use this. Yes, look at this. This is better. Design thumbnail using Capcut. Okay, you can see it. Design thumbnail using Capcut. Let me move this up a little bit. It will look more beautiful. Okay. Design thumbnail using Capcut. So I'll come to text again. I'll write in 1 minute. I will reduce the size. I can bring it here. Look at what I've done in 1 minute. Let me change the font of that 1 minute. Which one should I use now? Okay, let me just leave it. Let me leave it like that. I can change the style. Let me check for. Let me use stroke. Let me use black stroke. Okay, click on this place. Design thumbnail in 1 minute. If you look at it, I have successfully designed a thumbnail for my video now. I can edit it as well. If there's anything I want to add, I can add. If there's any picture I feel like adding again, I can add. Let's look at this template. All these templates are there for you to choose the one you want to use. But I think I'm good with this one. Design thumbnail using Capcut. Let me move this up a little bit. Let me move this design up a little bit so that it will touch the upper part of the thumbnail. Okay, this is design. Okay, look at it. This is a typical thumbnail for your YouTube video. This is a thumbnail for your YouTube video. You can see you don't need to start cracking your brain to design a thumbnail. So to save this, what you do is you can screenshot it. I will advise you screenshot it. So you have screenshot it. Then go to your gallery to look for it. This is it. What you now do is you will now crop it. Okay. Crop. Check for the size you want. I'm using 16:9 because it is a YouTube thumbnail. 16:9. Then I'll do it like this. I'll do it like this. Save. So I have successfully designed a thumbnail. Let's go to our gallery and check it. Gallery. This is my thumbnail. This is my thumbnail. Another way to design your thumbnail on Capcut is come to Capcut, import a background you want to use. Import a plain background. Click on add. Then begin to design. I'll go to text. Click on add text. I'll say create. Once I say create, I'll move it to this place. Let me change the font. I don't like that font. Create. Okay. Star. Let me check for star. Create. Then I'll come to add text again. Add text. Captivating. I'll put it here. Then I'll go to templates. I want to change. Let me change the font first. Create captivating. I'll come to add text again. I'll say create captivating thumbnails. I'll move it downward a little bit. I'll come to fonts. I'll change it to classic. Then I'll come to star. I'll change it to this one. Create captivating thumbnails. Then I'll click on add text using Capcut. I will move it here. I will reduce the size using Capcut. Let me add background to that one. Style background. Okay, since it is white, let me add black background. Create captivating. This captivating, I can add. Do I need to add background to it? I think it's good like that. Create captivating thumbnails. This one I'll add black background too. So I have this, but I think it's not fine. So let me remove the background. From this one, let me remove the background. Click on thumbnails here. Then I'll let me select this one. Create captivating thumbnails. This one. Select this one. Move it a little bit. Move it a little bit. You just have to be creative with it. Just be creative with it and come out with something nice. So this is it. Then I will go and import my picture. So to bring in your picture, click on overlay. Click on add overlay. Then I'll select this picture. Let me select this picture. Click on add. So this is the picture here. You can drag it to this point. Okay. Once you drag it to that point, position it very well. So now what you'll do is you remove the background from the picture. Remove the picture's background. So you look for remove background here. Auto remover. So click on the picture like this. Once you click on the picture, look for auto remover here. You see remove BG. Then you see auto remover. So the background has been removed. Once the background is removed, you can decide to make the picture bold. You can zoom the picture like this. You can zoom the picture like this. You can see. Look at it now. It's now very beautiful. Create captivating thumbnails using Capcut. This is the picture here. So you can come to text again and say add text. You can say in 1 minute. In 1 minute. You can do it like this. Do it like this. You can place it anywhere. You can place it there. So look at it now. Create captivating thumbnails using Capcut in 1 minute. So what do we do? To save this, what you do is you screenshot this. Just like we did for the first one. Screenshot it like so. Screenshot. So we now go to our gallery. Let's go and check it in our gallery. So this is gallery. So this is it. This is the thumbnail. What you now do is you crop it. Click on crop. Come to 16:9. Since we are using it for YouTube, then make sure it fits into this. Make sure it fits into this. Okay, this is it. Click on this place. Save. So our Capcut thumbnail is ready. The two methods are good. Learn both and do the one that works for you. You can go and download plain background and use this method. You can also use the other method. Anyone you use, provided your thumbnail is looking beautiful. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video.